Hello and welcome to this video on Wi-Fi Cloud Manager 3.0. In this video, we're going to talk about the beta getting started guide. The prerequisites to run WCM 3.0 are you have a SonicWave 200 or 400 series device. The device has an active subscription. If you don't have an active subscription for secure cloud Wi-Fi management, please open a feedback and our team will work on getting a 3 months license. Now let's take a look at the steps required to convert your existing SonicWave to run the beta firmware and to test and try the new features that we're offering in WCM 3.0. There are two ways to do this. One, you can leverage your existing setup, or the second way is to create a new tenant in MySonicWall and have a separate beta tenant. So let's start with the first option. To begin with, make a clone of your existing SSID policy, your existing network policy, and your existing zone. Remove a few select APs from the existing zone and move them over to this newly cloned zone. The next thing you do is navigate to settings, firmware, and change the firmware selection from production to beta. Once that's complete, you can go to the network devices section and click on individual devices that you want to apply this beta firmware on. Post that, you can configure these devices with the new features that we have in WCM 3.0. Now let's look at the second option. Over here, you'd create a new MySonicWall tenant, move the devices that you want to run the beta testing on to this new tenant in MySonicWall, navigate to Wi-Fi Cloud Manager 3.0 from cloud.sonicwall.com, go to settings, firmware, change the settings to beta from production, hit save, and hit apply and push the firmware. Now, this will make sure that the beta devices run on a completely different tenant. With this option, you are creating two different tenants in MySonicWall. One is a production tenant and the other is the beta tenant. And once you're done beta testing, you can move these devices back to your production WCM tenant, and they will show up under your production Wi-Fi Cloud Manager. Thank you for watching this video and have fun testing the new features that we have in Wi-Fi Cloud Manager 3.0.